Today we're here with Greg from Red Hill Cutlery, and we're here to talk about an American classic. Tell me what this is.
So Buck 110, I don't think it really needs much introduction. Just about everybody knows what it is, where it's from. Like everybody's either got one or they've seen one. Their grandpa has one, probably two or three, honestly. That knife is, I've said it before, but that knife is probably skinned more deer than just about any other knife in the U.S.
And it's American made.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the variations that we have here? I see three different ones on the disc.
First one we have is just the standard classical 110. I mean, it's, again, everybody knows what it is.
Right.
Now, for $10 more, they got the finger groove variation where it's got real tiny notches. Get in there so you can get a better grip on that.
Better grip, for sure.
The third variation is the automatic one. Now, what's interesting about this is even though it's an automatic, it's still the traditional backlock that everybody's familiar with on that.
Right. That was interesting. I think my cousin picked one of these up, and when I looked at it, I was trying to hit this to close it, and he's like, "No, it's got the backlock still the same as the other one."
And it used to be, in order to get a 110 auto, you had to have it shipped off to some custom knife maker who'd then take it apart and work on it, and it was a whole mess. And then Buck started making it themselves because they saw there was an actual market there for it, and here we are.
And now these aren't legal everywhere, is that correct?
Automatics, no, they're not, but
gotcha.
Kentucky's pretty lenient, so.
Gotcha. And so when you buy one of these from Red Hill Cutlery, I see this nice leather sheath right here. This thing is
every 110 comes with leather sheath. That's just how Buck does it.
Good belt loop on it. So all these come with this?
Yep.
Okay. And y'all carry these for how much?
So the standard 110 is 65, finger groove is 75, and then there's a pretty big jump in the auto. It's 200.
Gotcha. So
Buck is the one who controls the prices.
Auto, that's the way to go for sure. And if you want that classic traditional look to it, I would say that'd be the way to go.
I think the 110, it really was kind of ahead of its time because it was. So Buck Knives actually invented the lockback as we know it today, but because the original founder of Buck, he was more focused on putting out quality product than he was brand protection.
Right.
He didn't copyright it. So then everybody's got a lockback now. And if you want to get really into the weeds, Folding Hunter, Buck actually does have a patent on the name Folding Hunter. So Case, Boker, just about anybody who has a knife called Folding Hunter, they're not supposed to have that. It's illegal, but they've all got lawyers. And Buck, they're not, I mean, they're a big company, but they're not massively wealthy as far as being able to compete with some of these other ones.
Right.
So it's kind of the point where is the juice worth the squeeze on getting them
to
drop that?
Fighting for that, yeah. You would think they would almost have to like license the name or something, but if they're not trying to fight for it. So, but yeah, that actually my first large folding knife was a Buck, but it had the white bone handles that were given to me by my uncle. So it holds a special place for sure. But these make a great gift too with Christmas coming up around the corner. I would say if you have a knife lover in the family, a Buck 110. If they don't have one already, that's a great gift for somebody for sure. So, all right,
the crap out of them.
Appreciate your time. And these are Red Hill Cutlery, so check them out.